This is a capture race challenge for black. So it seems like black is far short. Black only has 3 liberties left, while white has 6. But because of this cutting point right here, black can make use of this group right here to kind of fight back. Right, so we'll see how this plays out. So black can play a number 1 here. Order doesn't really matter. And the next move is actually this bend and connect, because this reduces white's liberty by 1. Right now, white only has 5 liberties left. Whereas if you stand down here, after this exchange, white still has 6. So it's better for black to play here instead. Now what happens is that black should try to make a seki, or temporary seki. So white couldn't come in to all these 3 liberties that easily. Right? So black's correct move is actually just to stand down here. And white can only play this. Right? Otherwise, this will be a seki, but temporary seki, right? And white will be killed first on the outside. There's no way for white to kill black. And if white plays something like this, white will actually die after black's number 9. This is a connect and die for white. You might be thinking like a snapback for white or whatever, but it doesn't, there's just no more liberties, right? This way, white also gets captured. So number 8 is very tempting, but it's actually wrong. So is this, right? Just, there's no way for white to maneuver. So that's why number 8 can only be here. And black has already achieved its objective, because white must capture these 3 stones first before it can come in to capture these 5. And that's why white will be short. Black can just occupy white's liberties from the outside, right? White can play here, but white can no longer play here number 12. This is a temporary seki. White must capture these 3 stones first to unlock these 2 liberties, but due to the design of this problem, it's already too late, right? So this is the correct sequence. So overall, it takes a little bit of imagination, I would say. 1, 3, 5, and 7. 7 is also really important. You might be tempted to play this, right? Thinking this way, black also succeeds. But the problem is that white has this move. Always be really careful of your opponent's throw-in moves. These are killer moves. Number 8, black can only capture, and this is a connect and die for black. So number 7 would be extremely wrong. That's why number 7 has to be here, standing down. This is kind of a trap for white. If you're not careful, white might be playing something like this, and black will just capture all of these white stones. So white can only play here to at least capture these 3 stones, but after number 9 and all the sequence, these white stones will eventually be captured by black. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.